Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add long-lasting tags to our video in CapCut application. Okay, first of all, we can add tags to this video. For example, I'm going to add tags to be my watermark of this video. So we can tap on the text option and click on add text. And for example, I'm just going to type watermark. Okay. And if you want to add long-lasting text in CapCut, we just need to click on this lasting text option. It's over here. Okay, and now the text will be shown throughout the video. It will be so helpful if we want to add watermark to the whole part of our video instead of just dragging this text like this, because it will take a long time if we do this, if we drag this text to the end part of the video. So instead of doing that, we can just click on lasting text. Alright guys, and that's how we can add long-lasting tags to our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.